Alright, so let's get this robot party happening. Even though no one's going to show up, well, we'll see if people show up or not. But I, of course, have some interesting robots here, so I can talk about those, and we'll see how it goes. And that rhymes. Okay, so I guess first up is, first I'll talk about like what RoboBrrd is doing right now, and then I'll talk about the very important robot. Okay, so right now, this is the RoboBrrd that uses the 80K inside, so like you can see, it uses the 80K. Yeah, that's so cool. Alright, and so it's actually attached to an Android phone right now. Yeah, and it's actually being commanded.
Hey, I have party.
What on earth was that? Oh! Oh!
Okay, I can't hear anything.
You can't hear anything? Oh! Oops!
Oh, now I can hear you.
Oh no! Feedback! Okay. Oh, I understand what happened now. My demo may be messed up for the next thing. Oh, anyway, I'll carry on about this robot here. So yeah, it's just being commanded by an Android right now. Basically, it's a list of all the actions that it can do and how often it repeats them. So for instance, it updates its eyes every 100 milliseconds. And the fun part about this is that since it's just like all small actions like eyes, beak open, beak close, left wing, left wing, not left wing, and both wings, then you can just sort of like disable them or enable them, and then you can create more complex actions or behaviors or less ones. So for instance, let's see if this works like this. This is like a new webcam setup, so I don't know. Okay. Where is it pointing? Oh. Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's see. So, for example, if I see, like an easy one is turning off the blinking lights every 100 milliseconds, then it just like stops the eyes from blinking, and now, the Ustream went down. Oh my gosh. Ay. Alright, they're just waiting for it to get back on air. Alright, and it's back on air. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's kind of tricky because not a lot of bandwidth. Alright, anyway, so I'll just quickly summarize what I just said before. This RoboBrrd is controlled with this device, Android device, and I have lots of simple actions that you can turn on and off to create what's like this, basically. So if I turn on the updating lights, then it will start updating the lights. Obviously everything will become a bit more slowed down because it has to delay. Hey, camera, there we go. It has to delay for updating the lights, but then like you turn that one off, and then like, let's see, which one should I also turn off? I'll turn off left and right. So now it's just like doing those stuff, and it's just like so interesting because it's like all of these little actions build up to bigger ones, and I think that is that like it happens a lot in robotics, I find. So yeah, that's just my quick little tidbit. Now I will turn everything off except for the lights so that it isn't making noise. All right. Let's see.